your time machine will slowly rotate backward and may stop momentarily. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward.
This is Spaceship Earth Control. Welcome aboard. The map in front of you shows where you're from while the input to time travel
You're starting with
via Aurelia Arturo. Tungin via Amelia Adeno.
It's cold. Leaving now the states for
and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these new books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion of innovation we call the Renaissance.
I'm sorry, that line is busy. Number please. One moment.
Young people with a passion for shaping the future, the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that glows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new era. Spaceship Earth.
Rotating change will take return to Earth. As you bring return to Earth,
Our time machine is now rotating back. Please remain seated.
Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward for your return to Earth. Travel rate for your return to Earth. Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention. Please remain seated.
For the first time in history, all of us can ever say about the kind of world we want to live in. The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom made just for you. Ready?
Welcome back, time travelers. Now, we invite you to visit Project Tomorrow, where new ideas and innovations are being developed to make the world a better place. Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.